Welcome to the Easy Drum Lessons channel, where we provide a series of easy to follow videos that will teach everything you need to know as a drummer to go from beginner to a pro. In our series of videos, we're going to cover everything from simple beats all the way up to more complicated beats like you'd have in jazz or reggae music like that. We're also going to cover how to do rolls, when to do rolls properly in a song, all the different uses for the cymbals, and a lot more on the videos as far as using all your different drums and all your different beats. So be sure and hit that subscribe button so that you see all the videos that we have already and the ones that we'll be coming out with on a weekly basis. We're going to start out this lesson with the basic 4/4 time signature drum beat. That's the most common drum beat. As a matter of fact, over 94% of all pop and rock songs utilize that particular beat. Once you learn that beat, you'll be able to play most of the songs that are out there today. So we're going to get started on that. We're going to use 3 drums for this. We're going to use the hi-hat to ride on, we're going to use the snare, and we're going to use the bass drum, or some people call it a kick drum. What we're going to do is we're going to ride on the hi-hat and each one of the 4 beats. And just to give you an explanation of what the 4/4 time signature on that means is the first 4 is there's 4 beats in each measure, counted out as 1, 2, 3, 4, like we're going to do. And each one of those counts is a quarter note. So there's 4 counts of 4 quarter notes, 4/4 time signature. So we're going to start out on hi-hat, hitting each one of those quarter notes. And it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do that continuously throughout the beat. Then we're going to add in the snare. And the snare you're going to hit on beat number 3 each time that you go through the sequence. So it's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So practice that a few times, get to where you can get that count down, be able to hit the snare every time on beat number 3. And once you're comfortable with that, then you can add the bass drum, and that's the last part of the beat. The bass drum is going to hit on beats number 1 and number 1 and 2, alternating. And that's going to sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now a little tip that might help you if you're a brand new drummer is sometimes it's a little more difficult to do that on an actual set when you're first learning that beat. So a good way to do it, and one way that I've used in the past, is just use your legs and your foot in order to do that beat. And that'll be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes that's a little easier to get that muscle memory down. Then you can come over to your set and do the same thing, and it'll be a little bit easier on you. So once you get that beat all put together, you get comfortable doing it, you get all the muscle memory, and you start playing it in like a normal tempo, it's going to sound like this. So that's basically that same beat, just sped up a little bit. So, but initially you want to learn it 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And like that. So that's basically your 4/4 time signature basic beat. That's the first beat that you need to learn in your journey as a drummer, because most every beat is kind of based off of that a little bit, but that is the most common beat and will play with most songs. So I hope you got a lot out of this lesson, and please hit that like button. We would love to see those to know how we're doing. Also, we'd love to hear your comments. Any questions you have, we'd like to know how you're doing on your journey as a drummer, how this lesson did for you. And also check out our other videos that are available now, and we'll be putting videos up each week So be sure and hit that subscribe button so that you get all the lessons. And we'll carry you through the entire journey from a beginner to a pro. So thank you for listening, and good luck on your journey as a drummer. Be sure and hit that subscribe button, and we'll look for you on the next video.